In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust left and right margins in Microsoft Word. Margins control the blank space along the edges of your page, and getting them right makes your document easier to read and more professional. Whether you're preparing a report, a resume, or a manuscript, adjusting the left and right margins can help your text breathe and align with formatting guidelines. Today, we'll keep it simple and focus on the left and right margins only. Start by opening your document in Microsoft Word. If it's a new file, you can paste in a bit of sample text so you can see the changes as they happen. It's also a good idea to save your document before making formatting changes, just so you can easily revert if you change your mind. At the top of the Word window, go to the Layout tab. In some older versions, you might see Page Layout, which is the same place. This tab is where Word keeps tools for page setup, including margins, orientation, and size. On the far left of the Layout tab, click the Margins button. This opens a drop-down menu with several preset options. Presets like Normal, Narrow, or Moderate adjust the spacing on your page for you. Normal usually gives you a balanced, standard layout, while Narrow brings the text closer to the edges, which can be useful when you need to fit more content on a page. If one of these presets fits your needs, simply click it and your document will update immediately. If you want more control, choose Custom Margins at the bottom of the menu. A dialog box will appear. Here, look for the boxes labeled Left and Right. These are where you can set the exact width of your margins. Type in your desired sizes, such as 1 inch or 0.5 inch. Word understands different measurement units, so if your settings are in centimeters, you can type an equivalent value, and Word will handle the conversion. A common, readable choice is 1 inch on both sides, but feel free to adjust based on your purpose, such as slightly wider left margins for binding. Once you've entered your measurements, click OK to apply the changes. Your document will reflow instantly, and you can scroll through to make sure everything looks as expected. If the text seems too cramped or too stretched, just repeat the steps and fine-tune the numbers. Keep in mind that extremely small margins may cause printing issues depending on your printer's non-printable area. If you ever need to revert, use Undo or reopen the Margins menu to select a preset. That's it. Your left and right margins are now set exactly how you want them.